Okay, let's get into it. Today we're unpacking a pretty specific piece of hardware, the tvONE 221-112401 HDMI UTP Extender Kit.
Right.
So if you've ever tried to run a high-def signal across, say, a huge conference hall, you know that standard HDMI cables just give up after about 50 feet.
They do. They really do.
Our mission today is to break down how this kit gets around that, basically turning a single, simple Cat6 network cable into a kind of high-speed postal service for your video.
That's a great way to put it. It's professional-grade signal transport. It's all about reliably sending that audio and video package way, way beyond normal limits.
And the headline number here is the distance, right? This thing can push HDMI signals up to 500 feet.
500 feet. That's 152 meters. It's a massive technical jump.
But there's always a trade-off with that kind of distance.
There is. And it's crucial for anyone planning an install to know this. That 500-foot range, that's specifically for resolutions up to 1080p at 60 frames per second.
Okay. So when a client demands that really data-heavy 4K UHD signal, how much distance do you have to sacrifice?
You lose a lot of it, actually. For 4K UHD, the max distance drops to 200 feet, so about 60 meters.
Wow, less than half.
Yeah, it's a significant drop. But the good news is the audio support stays really solid, no matter the resolution. It still carries high-def formats like Dolby True HD and DTS HD master audio.
So that stability over those long runs must come down to the tech inside.
It does. It's built on HD Basia, which is pretty much the industry standard for this kind of thing. It's reliable. And this device is built for serious buyers, so it's compliant with HDMI 1.4, HDCP for copy protection, and importantly, it's TAA compliant.
And that TAA compliant is a big deal, right?
Right.
I mean, it's approved for government or military contracts.
Exactly. They know their market, and for integration, it's compatible with major systems like the CorioMax video wall modules.
Yeah.
It's not just about the video signal, though.
You mean the management features?
Right. It has bidirectional IR and RS-232 control.
Which means you get that really granular remote control. That's for dense, complex installs where you can't have any interference.
You've got it. And the hardware itself is built for that. The chassis is designed for better heat dissipation, it uses less power, and it's built to resist electromagnetic emissions. You just plug it in and it works. No manual tuning.
So if the hardware is that reliable, what's the support structure like?
Well, the company, HDTV Supply, offers free shipping in the U.S. and, this is the big one, free lifetime technical support.
Lifetime. By phone, chat, email, everything.
Everything. And what I found really interesting is they have a specialized discount program for accounts with adu.gov or .org email addresses.
They are laser focused on their institutional customer.
Absolutely.
But, and this is a pretty huge but, there's a serious catch you need to know about.
The return policy.
The product is listed as non-cancelable, non-returnable, and non-refundable, period.
And that policy just screams that this is specialized, mission-critical equipment. You do your site planning first, you measure twice, and you buy it once. Because once you buy it, you own it.
So here's the final thought for you to chew on. When you have a product with a strict no refunds ever policy on one hand, but a 3-year warranty and free lifetime tech support on the other, which of those two factors actually weighs more heavily in the decision for a high-stakes commercial installation?